All right, good morning or good afternoon, and welcome back from your break. Okay, so we're going to write an equation from 2 points. It's going to seem like a heck of a lot of work. However, each piece you have done before. Okay, so our steps are going to be that we are going to find the slope. We are going to first find the slope from 2 points. Then we are going to plug in the slope and 1 point into our equation, which is always y equals mx plus b. Find the slope, choose a point, and plug it into y equals mx plus b. Solve for b, which is our y-intercept. Rewrite your equation, filling in only m and b. Okay? And let's actually put that slope as m. Okay? So again, it looks like a lot of work. It hopefully shouldn't be that bad. Okay? So let's first look at number 1 in the try together. Remember, when we do this, let's label our points. So we have x, y, x, y. I would plot this one first and this one second. So I just add a little 1 next to the x and y for -4, -2, and a little 2 next to the x and y on -3, +5. Then I'm going to plug it in. So I have 5 minus -2, because it's y2, minus y1. Then I have -3 minus -4, because that's x2 minus x1. Okay? Now, if you look at these, you can either put it in your calculator or you can know off the top of your head, this is 5 minus -2, which makes this 5 plus 2, and 5 plus 2 is 7. -3 minus -4 minus a negative, again, makes a positive, so -3 plus 4 gives me 1. 7 over 1 reduces to 7. Okay? Now, when you reach the next part, I always suggest choose the one that has all positives, because realistically, that's where we're going to mess up, is dealing with positive and negatives. The problem is both of these have negatives, so I'm going to choose this second one because it at least has 1 positive. Okay? The great news is I already have it labeled, so I'm going to bring down my point of -3, +5. Then I'm also going to write in what my m was, what my slope was. So what did we just find that our slope equaled? 7. So remember before break, you saw this. You either worked on this the day before break or 2 days before break. Okay? Now, which of these is my y? 5. Which of these is my slope? 7. Which of these is my x? -3. And if you notice this time, I know sometimes we got confused because that time symbol wasn't there. So we have the time symbol in the middle. So when I go down to my second line, I bring down the 5. What is 7 times -3? -21. How do I get b alone? Draw my line. Circle what I want to get alone. What's the inverse of -21? +21. And what is 5 plus 21? 26. Okay? Again, none of this should be any different than you did before. Oh gosh darn it, I realized I messed up on the bottom. Oh well. All right, for the bottom, I messed up. So this isn't right. It's sort of right, but it's a little bit off. So this needs to be y equals, what is my m? 7x. What is my b? 26. So my m is 7, my b is 26. Okay? So let's work on that same tactic on the second one. Let's first label my points. So I have x and y, and that's my first point I'd plot, so I'm going to put little ones next to them. X and y, that's my second point that I'd plot, so I'd put little 2's next to them. I'm going to take -4, because that's my y2, minus -2. Then I'm going to take my other -4, that's my x2, and subtract +4. Okay? Again, if you can do that in your head, great. If you need a calculator, let's use it. So I have -4 minus -2. That's going to make a positive, so -4 plus 2 is -2. -4 minus 4 is -8. What can I divide both 2 and 8 by? 2. So divide that by 2, divide that by 2, and you get -1 over -4, which also equals +1/4. Okay? Again, we've done that before. It's been a hot second since we've done it, but we've done it before. All right? So let's pick a point. Again, I like to choose the one that has positive, so I'm going to choose the first one. If you choose the second one, you still should get the same answer. Okay? So let's plug in our stuff. So it says x comma y, so our point is 4, -2, that's the one that we chose, and our m is +1/4. So when I go to fill it in place of y, I'm going to have what is in place of y, -2. In place of m, I'm going to have what m is, which is 1/4. In place of x, I'm going to have what x equals, which in this case is 4. So I have -2, which does not change. What is +1/4 times +4? 1. Good. Draw my line. Circle the thing that I want to get alone. What do I need to do to both sides? Subtract 1. Good. So I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. And what is -2 minus 1? -3. Good. Then again at the bottom, I messed up. So we're just going to cross this out. And we should have y equals some number x plus some number. So what's going next to the x? What is our m? 1/4. What is our b? -3. Hopefully you're starting to feel a lot better about this.